So it's no lie that I love my margaritas, and I have heard amazing things about this bar behind me. They're called CANTINA OK, and they were voted number 23 in the world's top 50 bars. They offer an amazing range of Oaxacan mezcals and epic tequilas, all inside a single car garage. So we're gonna head inside and learn a couple of things about how they make these fabulous margaritas and learn everything that is okay at CANTINA OK. Alrighty, so we have their famous Margarita. It is tequila, mezcal, lime, and orange oil. So let's give it a try. Delicious. I love the difference between this though, is that the mezcal adds that little extra bit of smoke to it. Really, really nice. And you can't go past that delicious crushed ice. Look at that. Wow, fantabulously made. So, what was your special tonight?
Yeah, it is blueberry syrup, lime juice tequila, bit of egg whites with a tarragon soda.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, do you want to try one?
Yes, I want to try something different.
Yes, let's do it.
Let's get into it. What's it called?
The CANTINA OK. It's like another way of like tarragon soda.
Okay. Yeah, let's get amongst it. Okay. Alrighty, so this is their special at the moment. Look at that nice little foam on the top. Smells really earthy. I'm into it. Delicious. All right, here we go. I'll give it a try. Look at that foam though. It's sensational. What it smells like and what it tastes like are two completely different things. So it's really sour, really bubbly. I love it. It tastes amazing. Really sour. I don't know. I love sour even though I'm so sweet. Cheers. Okay. Jax, can I just ask you one thing? What's your favorite mezcal here?
Ooh. I mean, I got you on my favorite, the Red Spider. It's like the first one that kind of got me really into mezcal. Back when I worked across town, I'd like always come in and try them here.
What do you love about it?
The fact that it's got lactose and berries at the front, but it kind of tricks you. It's like a 1-2 because it starts off creamy, fresh, and exciting, but then bang, you get punched in the face with this like super full-on like woody smoke. Like it's just kind of feral. It's got this weird kind of wild quality to it.
Hell yeah! Thank you. Alrighty, so let's try the Rocky Road. It's nice. It's quite sweet. Nice and smoky though, the way we like our mezcal. Hell yeah, it is okay.